Williamsville homebuyers, what are you waiting for? Come see our newest listing, 540 Bauman Road.
As you enter, the open and inviting living room sets the scene for evenings spent relaxing, while the adjacent dining area is ready for your next big dinner party. This kitchen is where your day truly begins. With a layout that's both efficient and welcoming, it's the perfect place to craft your favorite recipes, and the charming breakfast nook is where many great mornings will start. A discreet half bath on the main level is a practical touch for a busy household. Unwind in the family room by the charming brick fireplace. This home offers a full bathroom designed for comfort and ease. The home features 3 comfortable bedrooms, including a peaceful primary suite, giving you all the room you need to relax and recharge. The additional rooms are perfect for a home office, gym, or guest space. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now for more details.